Hi everyone, it's Mary and welcome back to With Love Designs. Today we will be making an Etsy order. This die set is called Everyday Purse Dies and it's by Concord and Ninth. Unfortunately, this die set is retired, but I do sell this on Etsy, so I still make it for my customers. And this stamp set is also retired by Stampin' Up, but it's called Floating Fluttering. And this is the purse. When you cut it out, you'll need two. And you'll need two straps. And then this goes on the purse. And here's the buckle that closes it. So all these little pieces, these you'll see as we build it, but this is for the corners of the purses, and this is for the top of the purses. This one's going to be a three-step. So you've got your outline, you've got the solid form, and then you've got the more detailed form. So they are on the side here and ready for stamping. So I usually like, this is the back piece because it doesn't have that slot right there for the buckle. So I always stamp out the back piece first. To Harbor Freight and I got these clamps here. These are like bad boy clamps, I guess. Really sturdy and very grippy. Not grippy, but it will definitely clamp down what you need to clamp down. So I have a whole box of them over here. And so I will put glue here and glue here. I'll take one of the straps, and first I gotta make sure it sticks and it's aligned. So I don't want a crooked purse or a crooked strap, so it's aligned. I like it where it's at. And then I'll take my heavy duty clamp and I'll put it here. And then take this strap here and do the same thing. Make sure I attach it to the glue, make sure it's aligned. So I'll hold it for a few seconds and then I will put this heavy duty clamp on here to clamp my projects. First, so we'll take those off and then we'll take the back ones off. This clamp does come in 2 sizes. I originally had these guys just as strong. You can tell the difference from here to this big guy here, but I just feel like the big guy takes, is able to take the whole thing, where this one, there's a little bit right there where it's not clamping down. So I've upgraded and just got the bigger ones. But you do have the option to get the smaller ones. So just looking at the paper, or the strap, see how secure it is? It's not gonna move. So I know that my customer, or whoever gets this purse, it'll be secure. And you can also see how straight the purse is. There's like no curve. So what I like to do is I do like to give it a little bit of a curve. So I'll just bend the paper a little bit, just to give it that little bit of a curve, not so much straight. So you can see that there's a little bit of curve now, so that it looks pretty decent. All right, so now we're gonna do the, what's it called? The latch for it. Take my fingernail, push through. You can see this little flap there, so I'll push through just so that this little guy here has something to latch onto. So I latch it onto it like this, and then I'll close it like this, and then loop this down, and then glue. Alright, so I'm going to hold it for a few seconds, and then I'm going to unlatch it. Make sure it's aligned. It has a tendency to shift when you're doing that. Just make sure it's aligned, and it is aligned. So I'm going to open it up a little bit and take the smaller clamp and clamp it again. Because again, I want my projects to be secure, nothing to fall apart. And while I do that, I like to bring in jewels, just so that we can put little embellishments, not jewels, but embellishments in the end. So I just take it, put a little bit on the cap, take my little tool to pick it up. This is my Etsy purse that is quite popular. It's really cute. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for hanging out, and hopefully you enjoyed this project. If you did, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please reach out and I'll be happy to help. Thank you again and have a good day, and hope to see you again soon. Bye.